Hi there, how are you doing? Welcome to Saral Gyan. This is part 5 of our Matplotlib video tutorial series. If this is the very first video you are watching on our channel, I recommend you to go to the first video in which we covered introduction and installation of Matplotlib and follow our series. In the last video, we learned about the stack plots, and in this video, we will learn how to fill area under or between the line plots in Matplotlib. Before moving forward, if you haven't yet subscribed to our channel, I will request you to kindly subscribe to our channel and hit the bell button for future notifications. This will keep us motivated and will keep on producing helpful videos for you. Let's dive into it. First of all, we will be creating the same line plot as we created in our very first video, and for that we will be importing Matplotlib. And then we will copy the data from our snippets, ages and total population. Then we will be plotting a simple line plot, plt.plot ages and total population. Let's give it labels and title. Plt.x label is equal to ages, plt.y label is equal to population, title age was population of India, and we'll be giving it a tight layout. And then to fill the area, we will use plt.fill between, and we will be filling between ages and total population. And lastly, we will call plt.show. Now save it and let's run it. Python Matplotlib part1.py. It says there is no okay. We have made a mistake. We have to use Matplotlib. Let's save it again and run it. Here the area under the line plot is filled with the blue color, and you can also fill up to a certain area value and also change the opacity of the fill by passing the value of alpha to plt.fill between. Let's close it, and now we will be filling only up to 25 0 0 0 0 0 0, and we will give an opacity alpha is equal to 0.30. Now if you save it and run again, so here the area between the population line and the population of 2.5 million is filled. We can further customize our charts, and to understand it better, we will again bring in the example of the game of cricket. Let us say India is given a target of 89 runs in 10 overs, meaning that the required run rate is 8.9 runs per over. Now we will plot the run rate of India at the end of each over as a line chart, and then fill the area under and above the required run rate using plt.fill_between, and we will also further color code it. For this we will be taking the data from our snippets. So this is the overs and run rate. So first of all, we will be plotting overs and run rate. Here it's overs, it's run rate, and this is over wise run rate, and here we will fill between overs and run rate. And since our required run rate is 8.9, we will be keeping it 8.9. and now if we'll save it and plot it. So here we have plotted the run rate as a Matplotlib line plot, and then filled it as per required run rate. Now to give it a better visualization, we need to color the area where the run rate was above the required run rate as green and the area where the run rate was below the required run rate as red. This will give us a clear picture of how the team has performed in every over. For this, we will be using NumPy and changing the run rate and required run rate to arrays using np.array so that we can check the condition using where argument. NumPy is usually installed at the time of installing Matplotlib, but still if you get any error about NumPy, you can install it by saying pip install NumPy. So let's go back to the code. Here we'll be importing NumPy, import NumPy as np. We will say required run rate is equal to 8.9 and we will convert the run rate into an array using NumPy array. Z1 is equal to np.array and array of run rate, and Z2 will be np.array required run rate. We'll be needing 10 values in this, so we are multiplying the required run rate with 10, and finally we will be plotting overs and run rate only. And here in plt.fill between, first of all we will be saying overs run rate, and here we have given it a variable required run rate, and now we will be using where command where z1 is less than z2. Here we will be giving it a red color because the required run rate is red, and we will again have to do it plt.fill between, and here where z1 is greater than z2 we'll be giving it a green color. And now if we'll save it and plot it, we are getting a syntax error. Okay, we didn't add a comma after red, so let's add a comma here and a comma here. Now if we'll save it and run again, here we are getting this, but still the graph is not clear, it's not colored perfectly, and for that we will have to add an argument called interpolate is equal to true, comma. We'll add in the above graph also, into C, into P, and now save it, close the old graph and run it again. So now here we have a clear picture. Only in 2 overs India had run rate more than 8.9, and in the rest of the over the run rate was less than the required run rate. We can also pass the labels to plt.fill between and then call them by using plt.legend. Let's do it. And here the label is equal to below required run rate, and copy label is equal to above run rate, and then we have to say plt.legend, and now if we'll save it again and run it, now our graph has got the legends also. You can also place this legend at your desired location, and we have covered this in our last video, so go back to that video and watch it if you want to learn it. This is it for this video. In the next video we will learn about the histograms. Hope you have enjoyed our video. If you have liked our video, please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell button for future notification. Stay tuned. Bye bye.